What's going on, my beautiful treacle? We are live right now in my backyard. I invite you to join me every berry as we take a quick plant venture to share with you what's growing on today. An update, actually. Join me.
Taking the mentality, using your physicality to develop the growth of the spirituality through nature. The creator, creature, the maker. Remain visible, the truth educating the youth to be fruitful in a vegetative mind. Staying rooted in the vine, artificial to beneficial. We let the light shine. It's the Garden of Eden. It's the Garden of Eden.
Alright, everybody, so you just saw a yellow turmeric flower. Now you're seeing a banana blossom. This is my very first banana blossom. I am so excited. Like, I literally just want to cry. I've always wanted to just touch one. Wow, this is so cool. Leaves a little white residue, like a coating. Probably protects the plant. This is a Namwa banana. I am about 6 feet. So right where the camera is around the area where my head is. So you can kind of see how tall this banana is. So even though the leaves get taller, the bananas are going to fruit at my height. Reachable. And this is in a container. This is around a 20-25 gallon container. We see some pups emerging. I got to get them out. But yeah, as my journey was going on with this banana plant venture, as the leaves would come out, I would always think, man, this is not what they said it was going to be. 4 to 6 feet. Leaves are all the way up there, over 8 feet. But now that I see the bananas here, I'm like, whoa, this is cool. So it is. They're talking about the fruit, which is harvestable 4 to 6 feet, which is really cool. So, and I'm sure you guys saw the video before, how I said you have the flag leaf, and then you have 2 smaller leaves, which come out after the last long leaves. So the long leaves are always coming out, new growth, followed by the short leaves, which give you a sign that the flag leaf is coming, and the flag gives you a sign that the blossom is coming. Wow, this is so cool. Like, I can look at this all day. Like, have you guys seen something so beautiful and striking? Wow. And I know this is gonna open up. I don't want to force anything, but look at that neck right there, the beautiful color. Like, I use banana yarn that comes in different colors, and it's just crazy how this is probably what's used for that yarn. Different areas of the banana, you know, like right here, I'm sure this is used as a yarn. So the colors, like bananas, they give you so many different colors during the seasons, and then there's so many different varieties. Wow, look at that. I'm just amazed. It's been about 2 years since I've been growing this, and they say it takes like about a year to 2 years, for some maybe a year and a half. And this is a smaller one right here, a pup that we took out from over here, and we see that it's growing nicely. Actually, it's pretty big. It's in about like a 7-gallon pot, so I can plant this in the ground somewhere. Right now it's just in the pot, but the roots are growing out of the pot, so I got to figure out something to do with it quick. So yeah, see this beautiful Vietnamese giant guava here. Wow, it's gorgeous. But yeah, this is the pup, and this will give us bananas in the future too. We do have one of these in the ground in the front yard, but this is mainly what I wanted to show you guys. I'm just really excited. The beauty of this wonderful oh, there's a star fruit right there. I'm just getting excited here. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Once again, my name is Chris Nuno, signing off Afroganic style, encouraging everyone in every way to grow big and grow home.